Good morning, respected GTO sir and my dear friends. Today I'll be talking on the topic solar energy as it is very important topic for all of us. I'll be dividing my lecturette into the introduction, the various ways that we use to harness solar energy, its drawbacks, and the way ahead. As we all know, solar energy is the heat and light radiated from the solar, from the sun's radiation to generate electricity and thermal energy. India has a Bhadla solar park that is spread on 40,000 acres, which produces 2,245 megawatts of energy, which is enough to alone to fulfill the requirements of Kolkata city. Internationally, Morocco is leading in world electricity in the solar energy, in the field of solar energy. At 20% of its electricity is made from solar energy. Now, if we see, there is an interesting fact that the sun's rays that is falling on Earth are very enough. The sun's rays that fall on Earth on 1.5 hours are alone enough to meet the annual global energy demands. And if it is the solar panels are laid in 5 lakh square kilometers of area, which is 9,000 times more than the Bhadla solar park, 9,000 more Bhadla solar parks, then it will be very much very much able to satisfy the whole global energy demands. And if 100 more solar parks like that are made in India, then it will also meet India's energy demands. Now all of this looks pleasing, but what are the what but look let us look into the drawbacks. When we practically think that geopolitics comes as a main issue, like if this solar powers are concentrated in few countries of in which solar energy is very good, then there will be energy breakouts like we have in the oil reserves. Also, the maintenance problem and the loss in the transmission of this thing will also take place. Thus, the average lifespan of these are 25 years. So after 25 years, a whole lot of replacement will need to be take place. So what is the solution? If we come to individual level, then all of these problems will automatically get solved. No geopolitics, no maintenance, very less maintenance, no energy distribution, and no chakkar of energy distribution. Now there are two types of solar system: on-grid system and off-grid system. Basically, on-grid system will be connected to the electricity pole that is there, and at night you'll use electricity from there, and at daytime solar you'll use from solar power. And for using from solar, giving it to electricity poles you'll get money, and from using it at night time you'll have to pay money. And in off-grid system, all of that will get stored in a battery, which is very much costly, and at night time you'll use electricity from there, so it is disadvantageous. Now we also have the CFA, Central Financial Assistance Subsidy, that government gives up to 94,822 rupees to individuals for installing solar power on the basis of the capacity. Now coming to the major drawbacks: carbon emissions. Although the carbon emissions were very less, like very 20 times less than the fossil fuels, but it is a significant amount, as copper, silver, indium, tellurium have to be extracted for its production. And as I have told, life cycle. It is a problem. After 25 years, we have to replace them, and mass replacement has to occur. So that will be very much costly, but improvement is being made in this sector. Many creative ideas are happening, like the floating solar parks we have in Kerala and Maldives, and solar power vehicles are coming up like Sun 21, the solar powered motorboat, and the solar impulse 2 that contains 17,000 cells and solar cells and has flown 40,000 kilometers till now. So if you look, then many solutions are coming up, and only it will be possible for solar energy to come up as a reliable source of energy when people and government come up together and seek into the matter of the need, location, and cost of placing the solar parks, solar panels. Then only solar power will emerge as a major sustainable source of energy, and the global environment will also flourish, and we will also go in a good direction. Thank you.